Setup Module Orientation Overview. Welcome to our orientation on the Setup module, where you'll learn how to configure your center settings to start using ChildFriendly. Begin by navigating to the Setup module on the left. Please note that only those with organization admin rights can access this module. Once inside, you'll notice the layout is organized firstly by your organization and then by center. At the top, you'll see a helpful Setup Guide icon. Clicking this will reveal all the main headers within this menu. Expanding these headers will provide definitions that clarify their meanings. Once you're ready to get your organization and centers all set up, start entering your information at the organization level. Begin with the General section, where you'll fill in any remaining details about your center. Most of these details might already be present from when you created your account. Follow the menu sequence to add details for your centers, third-party sponsors, and more. Once the organizational details are complete, proceed to the Center section. Expand it to choose a center and work through each section systematically until all settings for that center are configured. After completing one center, repeat the process for each additional center. Once every center's configurations are set, you'll be ready to use ChildFriendly. Now that you have the big picture, you're ready to dive in. As you go through each setup category, we recommend watching its dedicated video before completing the section. You can access all of these quick tutorials in the Setup course or in the Help Center under the Financial and System Configuration sections. Taking it one video and one section at a time will make your onboarding a breeze.